Need tools? We've got you covered. Go to ChromebookParts.com or click on the link below to pick up this sleek, portable toolkit. Flip the unit over and remove 10 6mm screws from the bottom cover. Gently insert the opener pick between the bottom cover and the palm rest and slide along the edges to pop the bottom cover free. Remove the plastic covering. Peel back the tape. And unplug the battery from the motherboard. You should now be able to remove the battery. Remove 3 4mm screws from the hinge and 4 2.5mm screws from the motherboard. Flip open the locking clip and unplug the LCD cable from the motherboard. Unplug the speakers from the motherboard. Lift up to pop the antenna cables free from the Wi-Fi. Flip open the locking clip and unplug the palm rest cable from the motherboard. Flip open the locking clip and unplug the touchpad cable from the motherboard. Flip open the locking clips and unplug the daughterboard cables from the motherboard. Lift up the hinge and gently lift up and pull back, taking care not to bend or damage the motherboard ports. Replace the motherboard and be sure to make sure you get all the cables out from underneath. Close the hinge and replace the 3 4mm screws into the hinge and 4 2.5mm screws into the motherboard. Plug the LCD cable back into the motherboard. Plug the speakers back into the motherboard. Gently push down with the spudger to plug the antenna cables back into the Wi-Fi. Plug the palm rest cable back into the motherboard. Plug the touchpad cable back into the motherboard. And finally, plug the daughterboard cables back into the motherboard. Replace the battery, and plug the battery back into the motherboard. Replace the bottom cover and push down to snap it back into place. Replace the 10 6mm screws into the bottom cover.